If you wake up with neck pain, stiffness, or poor sleep quality, the Cervical Butterfly Pillow could be the simple upgrade your sleep has been missing. This orthopedic pillow features a unique butterfly-shaped ergonomic design that naturally supports the curve of your cervical spine. It helps reduce pressure on your neck and shoulders, allowing your muscles to fully relax throughout the night. Designed especially for people who suffer from neck pain, poor sleeping posture, or restless sleep, this pillow works overnight to improve comfort and alignment, helping you wake up feeling more refreshed and less tense. The orthopedic contour zones provide balanced support for both side sleepers and back sleepers. Whether you sleep on your side or flat on your back, the pillow adapts to your position while keeping your neck properly supported. Made from high-density memory foam, the pillow offers a slow rebound feel that maintains its shape and support over time without collapsing. It gently cradles your head and neck while providing consistent firmness where it matters most. For added comfort and hygiene, the pillow comes with a soft, breathable pillowcase featuring a zipper design. It's fully removable and machine washable, making it easy to keep clean and fresh. If you're looking for a pillow that combines comfort, support, and long-lasting quality, the Cervical Butterfly Pillow is a smart choice for better sleep and healthier neck alignment. Check the link in the description to see more details and current availability.